Us? We've
I
had
have
cringe
a
costumes?
cringy-
Ano?
Ano tayo, nag-2Q. Tapos she had to dress
Alam ko na.
as a random metallic man. Papakita
Silver
natin.
surfer na lang ako.
Bakit? Ano ka nun? Silver girl? Ano yung random?
Ewan ko, pero we were brought to a Halloween costume
With
shop
Nyx.
and we were given 5 minutes to grab costumes. It was a challenge naman, okay? Pero pinanindigan ko na lang. Mukha akong baliw dun. Pero ikaw rin naman eh, mukha ka rin gags dun.
No.
Yung Poison Ivy mo? Hindi.
Ganda naman yun. Oh, pakita
Dinigitan
natin.
mo na. Sige, pakita natin. You be the judge. Na, yung
Please
akin, ang
comment.
sama talaga. I don't mind someone dressing up as something funny. Yung ayoko lang is yung masyadong pa-cool na it's been done so many times na. Yung parang, there's no personal connection. You know what I mean?
Wow. Ito ba may personal connection?
Meron talaga. This is not a costume I hate because I hate the movie or I hate yung itsura ng costume. Pero ang dami na kasing gumawa. Tama na. Okay? Tama na. Tama na yung slutty na it costume. Tama na.
Slutty na it?
Ang
Parang
dami.
nakitang ganun. Slutty it? Baka nasa loob kasi
Girl,
sila
ang
ng
dami.
imbur.
I guess it was new and cool.
The first
when
round.
the movie, yeah. Sana may konting relevance. Grabe. Grabe.
Ako, ito. Harley Quinn. And Joker.
Nako, pareho yun. Tama na.
It's that couple costume.
Yung Joker kasi, I don't know why when guys dress as a Joker, parang feeling like, sobra kong cool kasi si Joker ako. Parang, hindi.
Uy, no offense sa mga mag-Joker this year. You know what? Leave the Jokers to the masked lesbians, okay? They can still do it. I'm gonna allow it.
Costume.
I would allow or accept the original Harley Quinn outfit. Yung talagang parang dress.
Actually, that's a good, like, if you want them
If
to
you wanna
do the
do.
freaking it
Tama
costume,
na yung may
mag-Harley
puddin.
ka na.
Tama na yung may puddin. Tama na yung shorts na may bat.
Yung isa kong ayaw. Ayaw akong makita ng adult na naka-Minions costume. Ayokong makita.
Alam mo yung nakaka-cringe. No, actually, hindi naman character. When people are too cool for Halloween. This is my costume, me. I'm as me.
May ganun ba? Oh, ang daming ganun.
What's your costume? Myself.
Boo, corny. Huwag ka na
Kung may
lumabas.
wand ako, pew!
Kanina you mentioned Beej as Sunny Angel. What do you feel about a Labubu costume?
Mad at it. I mean, bago pa lang naman yung Labubu. I don't have one, by the way. Not the Labubu type, obviously. I have Monchichi.
But
If you look like the actual Labubu, go. Pero kung di mo kamukha yung Labubu, yung costume. Hindi yung mukha.
Ako naman, those kinds of costumes are cool because when you look back at them in the future, they're so reminiscent of that certain time, which will make it more fun
You know
to
what
look
would be
back
cute? Labubu ka na may chain. Tapos yung partner mo bag.
Actually, gawin
Diba?
natin.
Keychain siya, tapos ikaw bag.
Ay, cute nga.
Diba?
Actually, cute yun. Maybe we should give some ideas also. I have some Halloween ideas for the fashion girlies that might wanna dress up as a trend. For example, polka dots are a big trend now. I think it's easy to do like a 60s mod polka dot look. And you can also go the yayoi sama.
Oh my God. Tapos
Easy to,
red,
I think
red
that's a cute
bob,
costume.
polka dot, like, outfit.
You know what?
Colored
is-
stockings.
Yes. It's also a costume you can easily DIY.
DIY.
Kasi if you have an old dress or stockings nga that
You can paint it with like acrylic paint
you
or
can
fabric
paint over it. So that's a
Yeah,
I feel like
I should do that.
costume na
Pwedeng
pwedeng
just
gawin
carry
last.
one big circle.
Oh, cute.
Can
yun.
I bring in my circle? I have one. She loves dots.
Oh, malaking dot.
Yeah.
Yeah, ang cute to. Sagot na lang.
Tapos naka red bob ka lang, tapos parang polka dot. How
Hindi,
cute.
or you're her, and then whoever you're with na tamad
Is a
mag-costume
dot.
is a dot. That's cute.
I would for sure suggest a good pop culture icon duo. Like, for example, me and Marga did Pam Anderson and
Tommy.
Tommy Lee. Ricky Lee. Sino yun?
Ano ka ba, writer
Ay,
yun?
writer.
National artist yun si
Ay.
Ricky.
Pam Anderson.
Ako
Tsaka si
naman,
Ricky Lee.
tsaka si Tommy.
Si Ton kasi, her husband. Minsan, kung sino-sino na lang yung partner ni Ariana Grande.
Oo.
Alam mo, Ariana Grande ito si Elvis.
Oh, but there are sometimes... Oo nga. Hindi, nag-ano siya noon, Beatles, labo. Nung last Halloween, Sabrina Carpenter, tsaka si Freddie Mercury.